Welcome to the third episode in this Java tutorial series. So in this episode I'm going to go over constructors and the different things you can do with them. So we can clear all this stuff out because we're not going to need it anymore. Alright, now, oops, not supposed to see that. Okay, so we're going to create a new class called Leaf. And in here we'll create the constructor, and a constructor is always typically going to just say public, because I guess we'll find out right here. You can hit private. Oh, I guess you can do this. So, well, normally you're going to see constructors with the public. And now I'm going to create a string variable up here called color. And then color equals green. And this keyword is used to refer to that if there's already a duplicate. So if I say like int color here, obviously that's not going to work because it's a string, but this now is referring to that. Now if I did just color, now it's saying you can't put you can't put a string into an int. So that's why we need this, because it'll refer to that instead of the temporary ones. So now doing that, all it really is just a method that gets called whenever we create an instance of the class. So when we go to create leaf equals new leaf, do that. Now this thing right here is what is calling this. So now let's print this out. Oops. System.out.println leaf.color. And now when we run this, we get green because we set it to green here. So let's try changing this to brown. Run it. Now we get brown. So I'm going to change this here to color, and we are going to try and add some parameters in here. So if we go color that, now this is going to have a problem because it's asking for a color. So let's say it's a red leaf here. Now when we run it, we get red because we told it here, just like any other function, but it only gets called when we create an object. So let's try creating another leaf. So we'll call this one a dead leaf. And I know I'm using leaf, but it's just a random example I had. So leaf, it's dead, so it's going to be brown. At least that's all the dead leaves I've seen have been brown. Or something similar. So now we do that. And now let's do a dead leaf.color. And now we get red for the normal leaf and brown for the dead leaf. So that's pretty much how constructors work. So you can pretty much do whatever you want with them, including, let's say, public void set color string color, and let's just move this over to this color equals color. So now if we move this into set color, this will also work. See, nothing changed because we are now calling a method inside the constructor, which is pretty much just a method inside a method. So that's pretty much all for constructors, and you can have as many arguments as you want. So we can say int lifespan or something, and you can just keep adding stuff to them. So that's what I'm going to do for this example, pretty much. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you're enjoying my videos.